How to build websites and apps by chatting with Lovable AI. Hi guys, in this video, I'm going to show you step by step that how you can build websites and apps by chatting with Lovable AI. So let's dive in. So first you have to open up your browser and search for Lovable. You can just search for Lovable over here and then press enter and then open this official Lovable app over here. And then log in into your account, and if you don't have one, just sign up with one. It's free. Now you'll have this Lovable interface over here, and you can ask Lovable to create anything that you want. For example, let's just ask Lovable to create a website for feedback or anything that you would like, and then come back. And then you have to just press enter. Once you enter whatever you want to create, click over here. And now it's just going to think over it and it's going to create a website for you. So just give it a few seconds and then it will be able to just create it for you. So here you can see it has given you all of these options over here that you can see it's editing over here. And you'll be able to see a preview over here once it's done. Now, if you want to edit this, you can click edit over here and just edit all of this. Perfect. So here you can see it has created this website for me that you can see over here. You have all these information related to this website. On the left side, you can read through, just scroll and read through. And you can also edit it if you want by clicking edit over here. And here you can see if I scroll down over here, you have all these options that you can go through and read. And on the right side, you have your website over here. So if you're happy with the website and now you want to preview it, just click over here and you'll be able to see the preview of this website. So once you're happy with the preview, you can click publish over here and you can publish your project as well. So you do not need to do any coding or anything. Lovable is going to just make the website for you. You simply have to enter into this chat box whatever website you would like to create, and you can enter the customization that you would like colors, palettes, anything that you would like to customize about it. And you can just enter it into the chat box and you can add your specifications as well. And then you can just press enter and it's going to create the website. It might take a little time, so please be patient with the process. Now, if you want to create an app, this process is very similar. You simply have to go to the chat box and here you have to create an app. For example, let's create an app for gaming. So I'm going to ask Lovable to create a gaming app. So I have entered create an easy snake game app for kids and press enter over here. And now it's just going to load all the data for me. So you have to wait for it to create the app, and let's just wait whatever Lovable comes up with, we'll see. So you can see I told it it's for kids, so it's going to use vibrant colors. You can also choose to add any more details that you want, and Lovable is going to customize it accordingly. So now just wait for it to just load the app and make it, and then I'll show you over here. So within a few seconds, you'll be able to see that Lovable created the app for us. So here you can see it has added all the details according to the app over here on the left side that you can read through. And then you have this snake game over here. You can click start game and just start the game, and you can use arrows to control it. So you can just play this game and see, or you can invite people over here by clicking invite collaborators. And then you can just publish it if you like it. You can choose the preview over here. This is the tablet preview, and you can choose the phone preview. You can choose any preview that you would like, and then you can just publish the game. And here are the instructions that you can read. Use arrow keys to control your snake, and eat the red food to grow and score points, and don't hit the walls or yourself. So here you can see. You can reset the game over here, and you can start the game by clicking over here. Just play this game over here and you can see the game is now started. I'm going to just eat this apple once. So you can see that's how you play the game. So you can see Lovable has created this game, and now you can publish it by clicking publish. You can do the same for the website that you created and click publish over here. You can review the security, that's free. Now click publish and it's going to just publish the game. So that's how you create games and websites on Lovable AI. It's going to give you this option over here. You can now copy the link and share it with your loved ones, or you can go to Twitter, LinkedIn, or all these apps and you can share the link. Now that's how you create games and websites with Lovable AI. I hope you liked the video and thanks for watching.